Victory sprayers include a patented three-way adjustable nozzle. To insert the nozzle into the unit, place the spray end of the nozzle into the open end of the Victory Innovations nozzle wrench. Then, insert the wrench and nozzle into the front end of the sprayer. Continue to rotate the wrench counterclockwise about a quarter turn until the nozzle stops in place and makes a small thump sound. If you have turned too far, continue to rotate counterclockwise until the nozzle is secure in the sprayer. Then, gently turn the wrench clockwise and pull the nozzle out. To remove the nozzle, insert the wrench into the front end of the sprayer and rotate counterclockwise 1/4 turn until you reach a stop. Gently twist the nozzle wrench slightly clockwise and pull away from the sprayer. Note that both nozzle insertion and removal require turning the wrench counterclockwise. Turning the wrench clockwise will simply change the nozzle setting. The 3 nozzle settings offer 3 different micron sizes and 2 different spray patterns. Having a 3-way adjustable nozzle allows the user to adjust the micron size based on the coverage and dwell time required for your chemical solution. Each setting is color-coded for your convenience. The red nozzle setting releases 40 micron droplets in a full cone spray pattern and has an average dwell time of approximately 5 minutes. The green nozzle setting releases 80 micron droplets in a full cone spray pattern and has an average dwell time of approximately 10 minutes. The white nozzle setting releases 110 micron droplets in a 120 degrees fan spray pattern and has an average dwell time of approximately 15 minutes. You can select a setting by rotating the nozzle using the nozzle wrench. To rotate the nozzle, simply insert the wrench into the nozzle end of the unit and turn clockwise. The nozzle will click when the next micron size is properly in place. It's important to keep in mind that the average dwell time of your chemical solution may vary based on humidity, temperature, and other factors of the environment in which you are spraying. Refer to the dwell time indicated on your chemical's master label, product label, or safety data sheet, or contact the chemical manufacturer to determine which micron size and nozzle setting to use.